Hey everyone! Changing time in Windows is easy, and I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how to do that in this quick tutorial. To change time in Windows Computer, follow these steps. First, right-click the clock or time located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now select Adjust Date Time from the drop-down menu to open the date and time settings. Under Set the Date and Time manually, click the Change button. The button can only be changed if the Set Time Automatically option is disabled or turned off. Now check on that option to make sure it is off before clicking on the Change button. Now in here, you can adjust the time using the slider or by typing in the new time. Not only can you change the time, you can also set or change the date in here. Now after making some changes, click the Change tab when finished to confirm. And that's all there is to it. The steps may be slightly different across Windows versions, but the overall process stays simple. Thanks for watching.